Hey ho, little readers, it's another Digraph Day. Here's our Digraph Rap to remind us what digraphs are. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Our digraph for today is A and E. A and E. Do we say E? No, we don't, because it's a digraph. It has a different sound, and the sound is U. U. 2 letters, 1 sound, U. Ready for some words? So our action for this digraph is U. Yes, U. Are you ready to sing it?
I'd like to have a barbecue. You. I'd like to have a barbecue with
You and you and you. It's words time, and it's not a lot of words. Okay? So, yeah, it's going to be easy for you. Ready? Word number 1. The U. The U. So we say dew. Dew is K. U. It's a Q. Q. Word number 3 is a little long, but it's easy for you. It's E. S. U. Again, E. S. U. Issue. Issue. Okay, now it's solo work time. And because we only have a few words for this one, I think you can do it with my help doing the actions, you sounding out the words, and with the help of the sound dots, you can piece it together and make the word. Ready? Okay. Number 1. Again. Duel. Duel. Word number 2. Again. What is it? Fuel. Fuel. Next is again. Value. Value. Next, longer. One more time. Tissue. Tissue. Last word for the day is again, without me messing it up, is rescue. Rescue. Okay, so we're almost at the end of our digraph line. And I know you have started to read. Awesome. Okay, so if you like this and you sang and you rapped with me today, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next digraph. Bye.